Chipp brings the power of AI with your data directly to your website. So let's show you how you can bring this power to your Squarespace site just by copying and pasting a little bit of code. No development knowledge needed. So let's go over to Chipp, and I'm going to click on my Chipp chat app, and we'll go ahead and click on Share. Now under the Share, you have different ways that you can embed. You can do an iframe, which would be like a square inside of the page, or you can do a chat widget, which will be a bubble in the bottom right. I'm going to start with the chat widget. Here's my site. I just did it out of the box test, just grabbed a template. And one of the things that you'll see is we can edit our page on Squarespace. And when we go to the bottom of the page, for our little bubble, we're going to want to add a site footer. So I got to add a site footer section, it looks like. There we go. And once I have that in there, I'm going to add a block. So here's my block, and I can add some code. And I'm going to go ahead and edit this. Here's my code. I just copy everything, paste in my Chipp chat widget. There we go. And now I can save it. And I'm going to click preview in safe mode. Now I can click exit. And here you can see my Chipp chat is right here, already trained on learning about Chipp. Now the embedded chat is one way that we can put Chipp into your site. You can also add it within a page. So let's go ahead, we'll go back into Squarespace and click on edit. I'm going to go into a section and I could add a block. So maybe I'm going to click here and I'm going to do code again. This time I'm going to grab the iframe. So I'll copy this text, put it in here, or copy this code, I should say. Put it in here, click enter, and there is our Chipp chat. Now this looks a little bit, narrow based on how I put the block. You can see it says height 800 and the width 100%. So that means it's going to fill up the block that I made and make it 800 pixels. I could change this to 200 and that'll shrink it way down. There's 200. Too small, right? So I could do 600. You can see how you could very easily mess around with that. And then on Squarespace, we can just change the size of this with their drag and drop wizard. So really easy. I can now save that. And now when I go to my site, I can chat with Chipp right within the site. So we'll click on exit so I can see it. There's the Chipp chat. I can start talking and it works right in the site. So you can see it's really easy to get started with Squarespace to add your code as an embedded chat in the bottom right or as an iframe right in the middle. Hope that helps you get started bringing the power of AI to your Squarespace site.